Story siya actually ng tawag dito ni Vanilla as a cosplayer. And yun yung mga kanta na ano niya. Like, yun yung ano niya, tale.
Hello everyone, this is Kian from Reaper Rocker. Welcome sa Reaper Talks. At welcome ko rin kayo sa bagong season ng Reaper Rocker. So, on today's episode, nag-interview tayo ng banda at kilalanin natin ang banda Vanilla Ikanami. Nag-interview ako last time at kilalanin natin ang tungkol sa kanilang banda. So, if you're excited to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my social media accounts. Let's start.
Vanilla Ikanami is a gravelcore band. The band had performed in different gigs in Metro Manila, and recently they have released 2 new singles. The first one was Say Sex Latex, released on August 2nd, and Come Tribute on November 1st, which had a positive feedback from the fans.
So, last time, na-interview ko ang bandang Vanilla Ikanami sa event ng Bad Cat X Sika. At dito natin nakilala ang banda. So, I want to share this video na I had with the band. So, kilalanin natin sila. So, hello everyone! This is Kian from Reaper Rocker. Kasama natin ngayon ang Vanilla Ikanami. So, pakita kayo, kaway-kaway! Ayan.
Lolo.
So, kindly introduce yourselves.
I'm Scarlett from Vanilla Ikanami.
Jason Corleon, Raf Paputi, Luke.
Lou GRDS.
Okay, so I prepared lang naman ng ilang questions sa banda.
100 questions.
Ano lang naman, mabilisan to. So, alam kong kayang-kaya niyong sagutin to.
Kuya
So,
Bunda type.
yes,
Fast.
fast talk tayo ngayon.
Dark chocolate.
Ayan. Kasama ko yan.
Pwede naman. So, let's begin!
Originally, 2 members lang talaga. So, ako at saka si Scarlett. And simula kami, like underage pa sa. So, back in 2014. And eventually, tumigil kami ng 5 years. So, and she decided na gusto niya ulit buuin yung banda. So, officially nabuo yung Vanilla Ikanami as a band. February 2024. So, and well, over the past few months, nagpalit-palit din ng members. Hopefully yung dalawa will stick around. So,
Sana mag-stick around. Ayun.
Hopefully, sana. At saka, ang gaganda ng mga kanta ninyo. So, solid yon. Okay.
Kikilig sila.
Oo nga, kinikilig yung dalawa eh.
Grab your core.
grab your
Grab your core. Wala kayong magagawa. To spread the music all over the world and spread peace and love and contribute and say sex latex and after hours. Yun lang.
Nice. And follow-up question doon, no? Since ang interesting ng mga lyrics ng kanta nyo, it's more on women empowerment, right? So, ano yung nagda-drive sa inyo na mag-write ng mga ganong songs?
Actually, more on dun sa lyrics ako yung gumawa. More on hindi siya empowerment, more on experiences sa cosplay. And story siya actually ng tawag dito ni Vanilla as a cosplayer. And yun yung mga kanta na ano niya. Like, yun yung ano niya, tale. So, may 2 last songs. yun na naabangan nyo. Yun ang pinaka-finale ng anong mangyayari kay Vanilla.
Oh, it's like storytelling ikangat sa lahat ng compilation ng mga
Yes!
Wow, that's amazing. It's like parang ano no, pagka nanonood ka ng gig, it's like ano yun eh, parang kinikwento ni Vanilla yung buong ano, yung narrative niya, di ba, sa cosplayer.
Yes!
Amazing.
Amazing! Nung nagsa-start kami actually, nung kami dalawa, since nag-iiba kami ng members, usually parang laging nagpa-back to square one. Kasi since may aalis na member, tuturuan ulit. Yun yung siguro number one na problem namin. Second siguro, since yung reach na algorithm, medyo mahirap din siya. And third, I think yun lang. I mean, makahugot yung ibang tao from the cosplay sa mga fans ko sa cosplay into dun sa music side ng project. Yun lang naman. May plan? Siguro itanungin ko rin muna yung ibang members.
Ayun, mag-biryani, tapos ano,
Mag-record sa Sikap Music.
Sika Music Studio yun. Kasama sila. Sika Music Studio yun. Sika Music Records.
Oh.
Yun, continue lang. 4 gigs natin para
Sa akin sana mag-stick around na yung drummer and bassist, hopefully. At tingin mo naman sa music natin, hindi niche, no? Hindi naman, di ba? Okay. Sa'yo,
Plano ng banda, for me, parang one step at a time. So, ang pinaka-importante naman, maging tight yung tunog, saka magkasundo-sundo mo na siyempre, mabuild yung camaraderie at saka yung tunog mismo. Pero, kung ako masusunod, parang ayokong pangunahan yung mga bagay. Parang, enjoy lang muna. Tapos kung ano man yung mga bonus na lang yung mga extra stuff na pwede mo makuha sa pagtutugtog. Pero yeah, bottom line, enjoy lang muna, one step at a time.
yes.
It's like ano, no, go with the flow, ika nga nila, di ba?
Yes.
So,
Go with the
easy.
contribute.
Okay, so
First of all, we'd like to take sa Sikap, pagdana namin. Dahil sa kanya ayan yan siya ang Sikap, yan si Alex. Actually sa kanya, I mean, from Say-Sex hanggang dun sa pinaka-last track ng Vanilla, sa kanya, ayan, hindi, yun lang. I mean, hindi ko man hindi. I mean, basta, ayokong i-spoil, pero hanggang dun sa pinaka-last ng kwento ng Vanilla, dun sa Sikap. And sa mga brother bands na nandito, Reach the Sky, Oxy, Archives, ayan, videohan mo sila, ayan. Bad Cat, syempre. Ayan, Yugto na wala na ngayon, and other brands. Hindi, nasabi ko na yung Oxy. Ayan, senior, so, never, sorry naman. Still time, dun sa mga prod na natugtugan ko, lalo na sa first prod na natugtugan namin as Vanilla, sa Passive Band Community, Maverick, Asfalto, yun na naman. Hindi kasama yun. Chocolatey, kasama na rin pala Chocolatey. Ayun, pareho, ayun. Parehoski, sorry.
Parehoski.
Thank you din. Ayun, and sa mga fans, kung fans ng tawag, thank you. And yun lang. Thank you din kay, sa Reaper Rock sa pag-feature din sa Contribute. Sana nagustuhan mo. Sana i-review mo din yung, iba dito.
ay, of course, supportan natin ang mga bawat
Yan.
Let's check out the mosh spots that we could visit for the following days.
Alright, so that was all for the video for today, and let me know in the comment sections what's your thoughts on Vanilla Kanami's interview. Feel free to comment down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to send a thumbs and consider subscribing. And I would like to thank Vanilla Kanami, especially Scarlett, for allowing us to have an interview. And I hope na magkita-kita tayo sa mga future events. And to everyone, please support the band. The social media links is available in the description. So kindly check their music, napakasolid na. So, makita-kita tayo sa susunod na episode ng Reaper Rocker. Marami pa tayong mga videos na nakaabang. So, this would be an exciting season. So, thank you for your relentless support, and we'll see you in the next episode. This is Kian signing off. Rock on, Pilipinas.